What is up, YouTube? We are back after a couple-day hiatus. It's down in Louisville, Kentucky for my brother's wedding. It was a good time, but no more beard, no more hair. I'm back to a normal human again. Work doesn't stop though, so the van tomorrow is actually gonna go away for a little bit. I got it running decent enough. It needs a carb rebuild really bad. It's doing a lot of stuttering if I leave it in gear and hit the brake. That stumble, vacuum's struggling. I adjusted the mixture screws. It's past that point. It definitely just needs a carb rebuild. Most likely, slight little leak on this gasket. I couldn't chase it down with carb and brake clean. Tried doing that first. Just trying to avoid it for this year. Might still do it before winter gets here, but who knows at this juncture. It was gorgeous up here. We were out of town. Like I said, since Thursday, we left Friday morning. It was 80 degrees down in Kentucky. Beautiful, beautiful spot around Louisville there. And saw the leaves changing. Super nice windy roads. Would have been awesome on a motorcycle, but it is what it is. When we get back, now it's 45 degrees and raining and super cold. Van needs carb rebuild, like I said. Not the end of the world. Still runs fine. It's not going to die. It just isn't running how it should right now. That will happen hopefully at some point here in the relatively near future. I probably won't do a video because I've done a million carb rebuilds. The van's got an Edelbrock Carter AFB 4-barrel on it, so that will get redone. Van's going away, truck's coming back, new radiators going in. Falcon intake manifold is put back together with a new thermostat. That's got to go back on the Falcon. And then I got to get my wagon back up here, so lots more to do before the season ends. Just a matter of time and money, neither of which I have, so we'll see. Still haven't decided if I'm going to try and clear out a spot and keep the Falcon in the garage this winter. Going over things like that in my head, but also playing catch up from being gone for a couple days. Puts us in kind of a weird spot. Still have a ton of bike stuff to work on. 2 bikes sitting at the shop that I need to move back to the house. But that's where we're at. That's your update. Thanks for sticking around. If you were wondering where I was, since I've been posting a ton lately, and all of a sudden haven't been, that's why. Brother got married. Awesome time. Life happens. Not all about the internet. Like, comment, subscribe. Lots more coming your way in the next couple weeks. Take it easy.